Hey, it's Sammy. On Friday, February 28th, last day of the month, we took 9 trades today for 469 points. Things got really crazy as the geopolitical stuff between the US and Ukraine meeting unfolded, so check out these trades. So this is our first trade. You can see we've got momentum in the optimizer across 5 time frames, sentiment across 4 time frames with a volatility break. We're pushing up through the overnight high. We've got the trade protected, so it's risk-free. When you use the data in the optimizer, you can take risk-free trade. Now this thick pink line is pivot. We're gonna go ahead and lock in 30 points on. Now you can see we're coming off of this overnight high. We've got our signature soda process taking place here. This is a mechanical process where that high time frame data, the actual numeric values in the optimizer are decaying, and our short time frame data flips over the other way for confirmation. The optimizer allows us to trade by eliminating that guesswork and giving us that data as confirmation so we can take fast, safe, consistent winning trades. We're trading pre-market, so there's little volume in the market. However, we're still working with that momentum and that volatility on the short time frames. So the moves are a little bit longer, but they still hit their target. Same as always, these trades are risk-free because once the trades move away from your entry point, you move your stop loss into a break even with a little bit of profit to pay for the trade. Now this green line right here is deviation 1. We're gonna lock in 31 points. The optimizer is showing us very powerful data on the short time frames. Notice all of that long data has now disappeared from the higher time frame. So we're in this short. Now we're gonna move that stop loss into a profit position for a risk-free trade because the trade is moving so quick away from our entry. Watch as we trail this stop for a plus 25 stop loss if anything happens. And we're gonna hit this purple line right here and lock in 62 points. So that open price right there, the market pulled back. You can see we're still working with really powerful momentum, sentiment, and volatility on the optimizer. This trade came back up and rolled back over. We're just gonna exit at the open price with 50 points. Notice how all of that short time frame data disappeared. The optimizer is now flipping back up to the long side as we break through and head up to the overnight. Look how fast all that data hit, and we're locking in our TP of 81 points. Now, I just got back from the gym, and the geopolitical situation with the United States and the Ukraine is unfolding, so the market is starting to drop, and we are going through the value area low here very quickly. We have our take profit set down here at the market open price in deviation 1, and we can see that we're quickly gonna hit 67 points. Look at all that data in the optimizer after that last run we just took where we exited at the open. We re-entered the trade about a minute later because the data just grew tremendously. Momentum, sentiment, volatility breaks are firing like crazy. We're gonna head down towards that yellow line and that next Fibonacci level. Now we're hitting yesterday's closing price, so we're gonna lock in 51 points right here. This is where all heck broke loose in the geopolitical arena. So you can see these giant candles, all that data smashing through here to the short side. This is our GAN take profit 1. Now we're bouncing off of this, so we're gonna lock in manually. We didn't lock in when we hit that level, but we're hitting 38 points to lock profit. This is that signature soda reversal. All of that high time frame data is reversing or decaying. Our short time frame data is confirming that we're going long off the overnight low. We're going to protect that trade with a break even in case anything happens. As it quickly moves, we're going to lock in 59 points.